Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make Dal Fry. Let's start. Take half cup dal, wash and cook and then keep it aside. Chop one onion, one tomato, 3 to 4 green chilies, a small piece ginger, one string curry leaf, some coriander leaves. In a pan, heat oil, add cumin, mustard, crushed garlic, curry leaf, and salt. Add chopped onion, ginger, green chilies, and mix. And then add tomato and saute till the tomato softens. Then add cooked dal, mix, add turmeric powder and mix. Add salt, mix and cook for 2 minutes. Add water if required. Add coriander leaves and switch off the flame. It's ready now. Serve with rice, roti, chapati, etc. Try this recipe and comment me below. Please like, share and subscribe if you have not done so. Don't forget to hit the notification button to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.